Pakistan is one of my favorite countries. Everywhere you go, they want to help and they want to invite you to a chai or food, or they want to take a selfie, or they want to share just a chat with you, or even invite you to their house. So this is really amazing. I started traveling with my dogs. First with my first dog. When I found her, I was traveling in South America and I found her, she was a puppy and she was about to die. So I picked her up from the road and I ended up traveling with her. I thought at the beginning it was not possible traveling with a dog, but then I realized it was not only possible, but the best thing you can do. You have company, you enjoy it. The best way to know a country is when you get in contact with the local people. So Pakistani people give you this chance to know more about their culture, and they tell you about the history and about they share food, local food with you, dances, music. So it's really, really amazing.